Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because it's another little at-home DIY thing you can do, and it is on eyelash tinting. I've been tinting my own eyelashes for the past year, I would say, and I do it every 2 months because that's how long it lasts for me. I mean, who doesn't want to wake up looking like they already have mascara on? Especially with my eyelashes, they're very blonde, but they are long, so if I just tint them, they look really good. It just looks so much better. It makes you look so much more alive, especially if you have really long eyelashes or really blonde ones and you feel like you can't really see them. This will definitely enhance them. That's why I love it. So this is the product that I use. I got it off Amazon. It's called 1000 Hour Lash and Brow Dye. You can use this on your eyebrows, but it is black, so I don't. But I guess if you have black hair or black eyebrows, you can totally use this on your brows too. I haven't tried any other brands of eyelash tinting. I kind of just searched it up on Amazon and this one came up as like the top rated, so I just ordered it. It's really inexpensive and it works amazing. It lasts a long time, so I definitely would recommend it. I'll leave a direct link in the description for you guys. So I am going to be showing you guys how I use this. It's super easy. It takes like 15 minutes. I'm showing you how I do it on my sister because obviously I can't do it on myself. I wouldn't recommend doing it on yourself, so just have a friend or, you know, ask your sister or whoever. So let's go ahead and get into the demo. Like I said, I will link this little product in the down bar, so be sure to check that out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you find it really helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what other like DIY stuff you guys want to see in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, before we get started, I'm showing you our before and afters, first my sister's and then mine. This is pretty crazy. It actually makes your lashes look so black and it legit looks like you have a mascara on, and this is why I love it. And now I'm going to show you exactly how we tint them. So this is what the product looks like, and you have directions inside as well. It comes with the developer and the color, which is black. Also has a little stick for mixing and application and these under eye cloths that will protect your skin when applying the tint. It also suggests that you use some Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and I have some wipes to wipe off the eyes after we're done. First thing you're going to do is squeeze out about 1 inch of the color, and then as you can see, I'm just measuring to make sure that it's right. And it says to add 10 drops of the developer after, and then mix it all together. You want to mix it really good. Here I'm adding another tiny drop of the color since it was a bit too liquidy, and once you're done, the consistency should look something like this. So to apply the under eye patches, you have to coat it with some Vaseline, so that's what I'm doing here, and then apply it gently under the eyes, leaving the bottom lashes out, and you want to try and get this as close to the waterline as possible. I know it looks like I left a gap of skin showing, but when you close your eyes, that skin folds down, so don't worry, the tint won't stain her skin. Here I'm showing you how you would apply the tint to your bottom lashes, just really carefully, and this is what I usually do, but today she said she didn't want to do her bottom lashes, so we're going to move on to the top. But this is pretty self-explanatory. You just carefully start applying the tint to the lashes using the little stick it comes with. I find this to be the easiest tool for the application. Oh, and I forgot to show you in the beginning, you should apply some Vaseline to the lids when starting out, just in case you accidentally get the tint on the eyelids. And if you do, it's really easy to remove it. Just take a dry Q-tip and gently pull the eyelid up and wipe off any tint that may have gotten on the lids. Moving on to the other eye, same thing, just take your time applying the tint until all your lashes are coated, and you'll start to see the more color you apply, the easier it is because it'll weigh down the lashes. After you finish both eyes, set a timer for 15 minutes and make sure you keep your eyes closed. Once the time is up, I just take a dry Q-tip and rub off any excess, or a wipe, whatever's easiest for you. Most of it will be dried down, so it's really easy to clean off. Like I said, it's super easy and I love the outcome. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.